Y'all remember when I was shooting tutorials in my foyer right in front of my front door?
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become.
And when I was begging other people for money to start my brand.
I should be chosen for the Be Resonant grant. My name is Angelina and the name of my brand is Blueprint Signature. I take thrifted clothes and turn them into designer pieces, much like this piece that I'm wearing right here. And from that video up until now, I'm still using those same jeans to make amazing projects. You know, you're always nervous for something that you really, really want, and I really, really want this. And no matter what happens, we definitely, you guys know that we always make our goals, because we may be afraid, but we do it anyway. No matter what, we do it anyway.
Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am, this is who I am now.
Well, I am announcing the funded and debt-free Blueprint Headquarters. Yes, I am so excited. It's weird. It's weird. Like the echo is messing me up, but we'll fix that. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do with myself. Like, y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I get. So I'm trying to compose myself, but this is one of those moments that, yeah, this is one of those special moments. And for everybody who has been with me throughout any part, wait, first of all, let me stop. If you've never seen one of my videos, hi, I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. And I'm just so excited because it has been 10 years on YouTube. I started in my foyer making videos, and over time people had started to request buying those, and I started selling them, making them myself and selling them 2 years ago. And I quickly realized that if I wanted to keep making videos, which I do not plan on stopping making videos anytime soon, but if I wanted to keep making videos as well as have my own brand, I would have to get a space and hire people to sew. So I'm so excited. I told you guys at the end of last year that 2023 was going to be the year, and it is the year. This is my space. Let me show you around. All right, when you first walk in, it's a nice big window, and this is like the office part of it. It does have an air conditioner and plenty of plugs, and look at this little rubber floor. And then this is the door to the warehouse space. You can see my stuff sitting there because I haven't moved anything in here. I haven't cleaned. This is literally my first day of having my keys. So you walk through this door and there is a full roll-up door, so I can literally drive in, unpack my stuff, and, you know, put it inside, or I can have more ventilation. Then this is the warehouse space. It does have skylights up above. They're pretty dirty. When they do some more work, I'm going to have them clean them. But this is the space. There's so much room in here. It's so open. The ceilings are so high. And I just really, really love it. Oh, before we go forward, behind the office space, there is a bathroom. It needs more light, but it's pretty nice. So there's the bathroom. It needs a mirror. And so we have that space there. And then over here is what, you know, is the warehouse space. But I want to show you guys this little area right here. I am getting put in a plug and the pipes for washer and dryer, so that as soon as I get things from the thrift store, I can bring them here, wash them appropriately and sort them. And then you can see my setup for today. That's just for today. But I was thinking like one of these walls, like imagine notions all across the wall, storage, just But now the thing is that I don't have AC in the warehouse space yet. So I have a guy that is coming to install AC and heating in this space in Houston. I just really think it's inhumane to not have that. So I'm getting that put in. I'm not gonna have no sweatshop. Don't worry about that. So before I can move really in fully, that's got to happen. So I've already, taken care of that. That's coming very soon. So then I can get in here, clean, and do everything I need to do. So I am super excited with this space. It has so much potential. I did look at some other spaces. This wasn't the first space I looked at, even though I did share this picture, like a tiny teaser on social media, but this was, I think, the third or fourth place I looked at. I'll share a couple of other places. There was one gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous space. It was pretty small though, but it reminded me of being in architecture school, and I just felt at home. I felt my creative juices flowing, but it was just too small, and it was an office space. Once they found out that I was gonna have sewing machines, they were like, beat it. So that was a no-go. And also I looked at this other co-working space, and I thought that that would be good because then there was a lot of security and other people around, so that would be helpful. But the spaces were super small. It had a lot of amenities, but the spaces were super small. And in this space, I get to do whatever I want. I have the washer dryer. It's so much potential and space and room to grow. And I forgot to mention that it is so close to the thrift outlet. If you watch my videos for any length of time, you know me and the thrift outlet are like this. That is where I get most of the things that I upcycle because they have different days throughout the week, and there's nothing. As a matter of fact, they increased it from $2 to $2.25, but on Thursdays, everything in the store is $2.25, and it goes all the way down to the next Wednesday where everything in the store is a quarter. So I'm so close to that. I have to pass it in order to get home. So the bottom line is that we're going to continue our Upcycling My Dream Pinterest Wardrobe series. I am loving this series. It has sparked so much more creativity in me, as well as increasing my sewing skills and my tailoring skills. And then, of course, I am definitely going to give you guys some behind the scenes of everything that's going on here. The first drop is planned for June 1st, 2023. So mark that on your calendars. I hope you guys are ready. Of course, I'll be giving you guys teasers. You guys let me know. You see the pieces behind me. It's not necessarily one of those pieces, but let me know what pieces you think will be in the first drop. I'm so excited to read what you guys say. And if you guys pick a piece a lot, of course, I'll make sure it's in the drop. But yeah, I'm talking over myself. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm just gonna sit here and bask in this for a little while longer, and then we got to get to work. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.